If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're in our pole bean patch here, and as Mr. B or Mrs. B or whatever the case is pollinating the flowers. We've got a variety of different stages that beans are in right now. Now, when is the correct time to harvest your beans? Well, it really determines what your intentions are for them. If you're going to save seeds, you don't want to harvest them at all. But also, if you're wanting to save seeds, the plant is going to go into a stage of no more production. It's going to focus all its energy on the beans that are currently on the plant, and then that will slow down the production because it's saved the seeds for the next generation. You've got beans that are in a couple different stages here. You've got, I'm going to harvest this one, and then you've got beans that are very, very immature there. You've got beans that are in a maturer state, and then you've got beans such as this one here that are very bulky. Now, you can harvest these again at any stage. What is occurring here, the longer you wait, because you're thinking, oh, I'll wait for the beans to bulk up and I'll harvest them, we'll get more on the dinner plate or more for canning. Mass-wise, yes, but when you open this up, you're going to have, internally there's a seed, and as you wait longer and longer for your beans to get larger, that bean inside is also getting larger, and it's going to be more difficult for to chew, to eat, as it gets later on in its state. So it's going to be more difficult to chew. A tender, smaller bean is more key for what we choose to do, and that's for eating as well as preserving. But you can harvest them again at any state that you want. But frequent harvest is the key here, because if you just wait and you kind of wait for everything to get to a really large mature state, your plant's going to really slow down in production because it is waiting, it is focusing all its energy on producing the seed inside of it. And we're looking at a bean that we can eat, not necessarily saving seeds for at the early stages of growth.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.